In this video, I'm going to show you how to set off timer in Panasonic AC. Now first you have to turn off your AC just like this, and then you want to go and press the timer off button down here, bottom left, so press it. It's going to start blinking here on your screen, and then you should just go ahead and select if you want the timer 1 or 2. As you can see, it's going to kind of switch it, so if you keep pressing the timer off here, it's going to go between this mode, the 1 and then the 2. So you can set 1 and 2, whichever one you want. We're going to set the first one right now. Whenever you basically have it blinking on off, you can set up or down in minutes using these two buttons. So either the up or down button. There we go. These arrow buttons are going to set your time off. And whenever you've set it to whatever you like, so for example, if I go to, let's just do 4:30, you have to simply press on the set button here at the bottom right, and then press it again. And there we go. It's going to actually set your off timer just like this. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.